Good morning children, welcome to our online classes. Today we will continue with our chapter number 1. Today we are going to solve exercise number 1.2 which is in page number 60. Now question number 1. Question number 1 is choose the correct option. It's written in your book choose the correct option but no options are given there. So you will solve this question, okay? So what is the question? Choose the correct option. First is write the place value of 6 in the given digit. This is the given digit. In this digit you have to write the place value of 6. Okay. As you can remember that we have learned about the place values in the April month. So we are going to just solve and recall and just solve these questions. Okay. So what is the place value of 6 in this given number? Student, as you know that we learn the 4-digit number as 1000, 100, tens and ones. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So in which place 6 is there? For example, first you write the place value of the digits, then you write the digit 2362. So 6 is in tens position. So the place value of 6 is in tens position. So the place value of 6 is 60. Like this only you will solve the next question also. Write the place value of 2 in the given number. So what is the place value of 2 here? First we will write the place values 1000, 100, tens and ones. Then we will write the digit 3286. So 2 is in which place? 2 is in 100 place. So what is the place value of 2 in this digit is? The place value of 2 is 200. Moving on to question number 3, write the place value of 2 in this digit. Write the place value of 2 in 3286. Like same, we will write the place values here first, 1000, 100, tens and ones. Then we will write the digit 3286. So we have to find the place value of 2. 2 is in which place? 2 is in 100 place here. So we will write the number as 200. Okay. Now moving on to the question number 11. Rest of all questions are like this only. You have to solve like this. You have to write the place value of the other questions. Like this only you will write the place value of that questions. Okay. Now moving on to question number 11. Question number 11 is write in expanded form. Question compact form is given. You have to write these numbers in expanded form. Okay. So here first question is 4525. 4 is in which place? 4 is in 1000 place. So we will write here 4. 4 is in 1000, 4000. Then 5 is in 100 place, 500. Then 2 is in tens place. So we will write here 2. 5 is in ones place. So we will write here as 5. Next question is also like that. 6287. 6 is in 1000 place. So we will write here 6. 2 is in 100 place. So we will write here 2. 8 is in tens place. So we will write here 8. And 7 is in ones place. So we will write here 7. Next question. 9780. 9 is in 1000 place. So we will write here 9. 7 is in 100 place. So we will write here 7. 8 is in tens place, so we will write here 8, and 0 is in ones position, so we will write here 0. Okay, like this only you have to solve the rest of the question. Now moving on to our question number next, question number 12. What is question number 12? Let's see. Question number 12 is put a box around the correct numeral. Numerals are given some. You have to put the box around the correct numeral. Let us see how we will do this. Okay. Now, question number 12. What is question number 12? You have to put a box. Put a box around the correct numeral. Around the correct numeral. Okay. You have to put a box around the correct numeral. First question has been solved for you. Moving on to question number 2. Number 2 is 7,008 ones. This is given, and in front of this few numbers are given. Okay, like this question, this is a question. You have to put a circle or put a box around the correct numeral which fits this numbers. Okay, 7,008 ones. 7,000, all these three numbers are having 7,000, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. But 8 ones. In ones position, here it is 0, here it is 0, but here it is 8. So what is the correct numeral for this question? This is 7,008 ones. Okay. Now moving on to next question. Next is 6,006 tens. 6,006 tens. Okay. So in front of here some numbers are given. 606, 660, 6060. Now what is the question? 6,006 tens. Here these two numbers are of 100 place values. Ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. So these two numbers are not possible. These two numbers are cancelled. Okay. This one is 6,000. This one is 6,000. And here it is 6 tens. Here 6 is in 100 position. Here 6 is in tens position. So which one is correct? This one is correct. 6,006 tens. So you will put a box around this number. Okay. Now question number 4 is 5,008 ones. What is the question? 5,008 ones. These two numbers are of 3 digit, means these are in 100 position. So these two numbers are not possible. These two numbers are in 5,000 position. Okay, here it is 5,000, here it is 5,000. First one is clear. 8 ones. 8 is in 100 position. Here 8 is in ones position. So this is your correct numeral. So put a box around that numeral. Okay. Like this you will solve the rest of the questions. Now moving on to exercise number 1.3. Let us start our new exercise. Exercise number 1.3. So let's start our new exercise. This is exercise number 1.3. It is in page number 18. Okay. Now exercise number 1.3, question number 1. What is question number 1? Question number 1 is multiple choice question, means choose the correct answer. It is MCQ. Okay. So what is first one? The difference between the smallest 5-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number is. First one is difference between smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-digit smallest number, and the smallest 4-digit number. 4-digit smallest number is 1,000. You have to find the difference. 0, 0, 0. Here we will take carry from here. So what is the difference between smallest digit numbers are 9,000, and it is given in option number D. So first question answer is option number D. There you will make a tick. Okay. Next is number 2. The difference between the largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Difference means you have to make a subtract sign, and the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is 1,000. You have to find their difference. What will be the answer? Answer is 8,999. It is given in option number B. So you will tick that option number B. Student, please listen. MCQs you have to done in your book. MCQs to be done in your book. You will tick in your book. Now moving on to next question. Next question is put the greater, smaller or equal sign in a box. Question number 2. Put greater, smaller or equal sign. You have to put the sign in the box. Okay. I am solving some 1, 2, 3 questions. First one is 8438 dash 9254. Number 2 is 6258 2598 4567 2345. Number 4 is 5678 8321. So you have to put greater, smaller or equal sign in this box. Okay. So which one is greater in the question number 1? 8438. Here it is 9254. Which one is greater? 8000 or 9000? 9000 is greater. So we will make a sign like this. In the next 6000 is given here and 2000. Which one is greater? 6000. So we will make a sign like this. Here it is 4500 and here is 2300. So 4000 is greater. In this question 8000 is greater. So like this way you have to put the sign, and this question also you have to do in your book. Okay. Now moving to our third question. What is our question number 3? Our question number 3 is find the successor of the following. You have to find the successor. Successor we have studied in all the things we have studied earlier. Successor means you have to add one number to the given digit. Okay. You will add one number to the given digit. Find the successor. Find the successor of. You have to find the successor of the given number. So how we will write? First one, 3644. What is the successor of this number? As I have said, you have to add one number to the given number. So what will be the solution? Solution will be 3644 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, 4, 6 and 3. What is the successor of the given number? The successor of given number is 3645. Question number 2. 999. What is the successor of this number? In successor, all the question you will add plus 1. So add one number to the given question. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, carry 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 10. What is the successor? Successor is 1000. Like this you will solve all the question. Now moving on to our question number 4. Question number 4 is find the predecessor. Find the predecessor of. Predecessor of. Now, in successor you will add one number and in predecessor you will subtract one number. Okay. First one is 4400. So you have to find the predecessor. So you will subtract one number from the question. 4400 minus 1. We can't subtract 1 from 0. So we are going to take carry forward numbers. Okay. So we will take carry from here. It will become 3. Here it will become 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9, 3 and 4. So what is the successor of 4400? 4399. Likewise, we will solve the question number 2. 7884. What will be the predecessor? 7884 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, 8, 8 and 7. So what will be the predecessor of the given digit? 7883. Okay. Now moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 is arrange in descending order. What do you mean by descending? Descending means we have to arrange the numbers from greater to smaller. We will arrange the numbers from greater to smaller. And ascending means we will arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. Okay. Question number 5 is rewrite the following number in descending or decreasing order. Descending order. From B stand for bigger to smaller. Okay, let's solve question number 1. Okay, first one is 7,219, 4,256, 7,291, 9,721, 4,578, 9,271. Solution. So we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending means from greater to smaller. First we will look in the question which one is greater. First we will compare with 1000 positions. Okay, here it is 7,000, 4,000, 7,000, 9,000, 4 and 9. So 9,000 is greater and we are having two 9,000s number. Here this one is 9,000 and this one. Now we will compare with 100 position. Here it is 700 and here it is 200. So which one is greater? 700. So this number we will write first. 9,721, then 9,271. Then we are having two 7,000s numbers. 7,000, 7,000. Then we will compare with 100 position. In 100 position also here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Now we will compare the tens position. In tens here ones is there and here 9. So which one is greater? 7,291. Then 7,219. Then again we are having two 4,000s number. This one is also 4,000. This one is also 4,000. Then we are going to compare the 100 position. Here it is 200. Here it is 500. So which one is greater? 500. So we will write this number first. 4,578. Then 4,256. So this is your descending order. Means you are arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller. Okay, like this only you have to solve the rest of the question. Moving on to our question number 6. Question number 6 is rewrite the following numbers in ascending order. Means you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, ascending or increasing order. As from the name only you can know that you have to arrange the number from smaller to bigger. In descending you are arranging the number from bigger to smaller, and in this ascending you are arranging the number from smaller to bigger. Let's solve question number 1. First is 4,532, 5,432, 4,523, 4,534, 4,554, 6,754. So which one is smaller? First we have to find the number which one is smaller. Like same we will compare with 1000 digits. 4,000, 5,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 6. Among these numbers 4,000 is the smaller. But all are having 4,000s, okay? And 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. Now in tens position, here it is 32, 23, 34, 54. So which one is smaller? 23. So we will write first 4,523, then 32. 4,532, then 4,534, then 4,554. Then 5,000 is left. 5,432, 6,754. Like this way you are going to arrange the numbers in ascending order from smaller to bigger. Okay, so this is all for today, students. Thank you. And exercise number 1.1 notes will be available after this video. Okay, so do copy it, and these exercise notes will be provided in the next video. Okay, thank you.